Hey guys, so this video is basically the continuation of the previous video where I explained how to install the Python on your system from the website, how to download and install. So this will be a small video and I'll just be explaining how to enter into Python shell. Now Python shell is where you actually do the Python programming, and Python shell, we can enter into Python shell, we can work on Python, basically Python script through command shell, as well as we have certain other IDEs, basically development environments, and we have a lot of them. I mean, we'll be actually working on them as well in my later videos, like IPython, PyScripter, PyDev. Um, there are many of them actually. So uh, then idle is one which comes with the Python solution. So that is the default ID which comes in, like when we actually install the Python from on the system, it comes with that as a package basically. So we'll work on idle as well, maybe, and then other uh, certain uh, IDs as well, right? So yeah, but as of now, what basically we're going to discuss is how to enter the Python shell if we are in command shell, right? So here we are in command shell, and we just have to type Python. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what is the path here. It doesn't matter what is the path here, right? I mean, and if the Python is not installed in this folder, it doesn't matter. Maybe Python installed in some other folder, maybe D colon, or maybe any other folder. Even if, like, even then, if you type Python, you'll enter the Python shell. So I type Python, and here I enter the Python shell. So first it will basically print what version of Python is installed in the system, and other few details. Then it will, the second line where it is written type, help, copyright, these are the keywords basically. If you want to extract some relevant information, we'll discuss these keywords in later videos. So, and then we have this prompt basically where you look basically where you see these three greater than signs. So these three greater than signs, basically this is the Python prompt. So now we have entered into Python prompt here, and now if you have to exit this prompt from basically here, and if we have to go back to the command shell, so we just have to type exit and empty bracket, and we'll go back to the command shell. So easy. It's, you just have to type Python without any brackets, enter, we enter into Python shell, and if we have to go back to the command shell, exit with empty brackets, and we go back to the command shell, right? So that's simple. So we'll have uh, certain other, you know small tricks which may be useful for us, while working with Python. We'll discuss in those future videos. Um, so as of now, yeah, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you.